Welcome to your Valentine's Day message from your Valentine. The messages will be relevant from 14th February 2021 to 14th February 2022. Even if you're single, you can have a look at this reading. Perhaps your Valentine could make an entry in the course of the year. For this reading, we will use this Love Oracle deck which has been created by me. The link is given in the description box, so in case you want to make a purchase, then you can do just that. Let's just dive into your reading. Sagittarius, the first card in this reading is Wedding Bells. Some of you may have been proposed towards the final days of the year or towards January 2021. Maybe the two of you have met on account of a social function or an event like a wedding has brought the two of you together. Certainly there was some cause for celebration stepping into the Valentine Day. The next card in this reading in the challenge position is Reality is that I'm never over you. Surely the person you're dealing with feels that it's a deep and profound connection that he shares with you. In this year, maybe there could be a break in the relationship or there could be a physical distance. But this person is never over you. He is feeling the pain, or he or she is definitely yearning for you. Perhaps you need to convey your heart's desire. Next card in this reading is Blindside. This person could feel ignored. Maybe the separation could make him feel your loss. Perhaps the breakup could be quite sudden, or you have blindsided him. Maybe your sudden disappearance from his life could leave him stunned and all alone. He or she is trying to figure out what happened. It took him by surprise, or it could be quite perplexing for him to figure things out because it was all very sudden. It was like a bolt from the blue. On the rebound is the next card here. I think for some Sagittarians, I'm picking up that maybe you have ended a relationship, or this person may have ended a relationship and started another one very quickly. It's a very tricky card. Maybe there are residual feelings from a past relationship that is also affecting this connection. I think the two of you or either of you need to heal and let go of the past relationship before you can settle down. These unsettled emotions can play havoc in your connection. Ideally, I think Sagittarians, you or this person need not latch on to someone because a close romantic relationship of yours had ended recently, as this could lead to confusion and impractical decisions. Sagittarians, you should be mindful of this with respect to your connection. Incidentally, another card we have is Runner and Chaser. Maybe yours is a twin flame connection. Like I said, the two of you could connect very quickly, but then one of you will feel scared. So that is why it could be that one of you could blindside the other person. You could stun the person by moving away. The runner surely enjoys it when the chasers keep up with the chase. Maybe you need to heal this connection. You do know that the chaser cannot exist without the runner, or vice versa. You know the entry of a twin flame can trigger healing in us. But the intensity of the connection could also hit the two of you. Dance in the rain. Perhaps the rainy season could trigger something in the two of you. I think the two of you need to loosen up, you need to relax, you need to hold each other or dance or sway to some music. Incidentally, another card that flipped up in this reading is Thoughts of You Fill Up My Senses. I think you are being called upon to enjoy the rain, to create the love that is there. It should be allowed to blossom. It's all very apparent that this person is constantly thinking of you. He can feel you in his bones or in his heart, in his soul, in his body. All in all, you're never far from this person's mind, and that's a beautiful thought to conclude this reading.